and welcome to English Audio Lab. I'm Trevor.
And I'm Alicia. We're so glad you're here to learn with us today.
How are you feeling today, Alicia? You seem a little quiet.
Hi, Trevor. I'm doing okay, thank you. To be honest, I'm feeling a little bit tired today. I didn't sleep very well last night.
I see. Well, that's actually a perfect starting point for our topic today. We're going to talk about how to say you are tired in English, but in a positive or neutral way, without complaining.
That's a great topic. Sometimes I want to say I'm tired, but I don't want to sound negative or like I'm making excuses.
Exactly. There's a big difference between simply stating how you feel and complaining. Complaining often sounds like this: I'm so tired. I have to do so much work and I just can't.
Right. That has a very heavy, negative feeling.
It does. But simply saying, I'm a bit tired today, is just sharing information. It's honest and direct. Today, we will give you many useful phrases that are perfect for work, for friends, and for everyday situations.
Okay, I'm ready to learn. Where should we start?
Let's begin with situations at work or in more formal settings. You want to sound professional. A great phrase is, I'm a bit drained.
Drained? Like when water goes out of a bathtub?
Yes, exactly. It's a great visual. It means your energy has gone out, like water from a tub. It suggests you've been working hard. Let's imagine a short dialogue at the office. Your colleague asks you to help with a new task.
Okay, I'll be the colleague. Hi, Trevor. Do you have a moment to look at these new reports?
Of course, to be honest, I'm a bit drained from the morning's meeting, but I can take a quick look.
Oh, that sounds very professional. You are saying you are tired, but also that you are still willing to help.
Exactly. Now, let's practice that key sentence. We will say it slowly first. Please listen and repeat. I'm a bit drained.
Now let's say it at a more natural speed. I'm a bit drained.
Right work. Another excellent option for professional settings is I think I need to recharge.
Recharge, like a phone battery?
Precisely. It's a modern and positive way to say you need a rest. It focuses on the solution, getting your energy back, not just the problem of being tired.
I like that. So, how would I use it? Maybe at the end of a long workday?
Perfect. Let's try a dialogue. Imagine a colleague asks you to join a late meeting.
Okay, Trevor, are you coming to the 5 p.m. project update meeting?
It's been a long day. I think I need to recharge this evening. Could you send me the notes from the meeting?
That's very clear and polite. It shows you're responsible by asking for the notes, but also that you're taking care of yourself.
Yes, it sets a healthy boundary. Okay, let's practice the sentence. Slow speed first. Feel free to pause and repeat. I think I need to recharge.
And now at natural speed. I think I need to recharge.
Fantastic. Now let's move on to more casual, informal situations. What can we say to friends?
This is where it gets more fun. With friends, you can be more expressive. A very common one is I'm beat.
Beat? Like hitting something?
It's a metaphor. Imagine you've been beaten by the long day. It just means you are very, very tired. For example, after playing a sport or after a long trip.
Okay, let's try a mini dialogue. I'll be your friend. Hey, Alicia, do you want to go see a movie tonight?
Oh, I'd love to another time, but I'm beat. I think I'm just going to stay home and relax tonight.
Perfect. It's friendly and clear. Let's practice saying it. Listeners, you can repeat after us. First, slowly. I'm beat.
Down naturally. I'm beat.
Another great casual phrase is I'm running on empty.
Oh, like a car that has no more gas?
You've got it. The metaphors are really useful, aren't they? It means you have absolutely no energy left. You are still going, but just barely.
Yes, they help me remember the meaning. How about a dialogue for this one?
All right, let's say we've been shopping all day. I could say to you, wow, you have a lot of energy. How are you still going?
Honestly, I'm running on empty. I think I need to go home and take a nap soon.
That's a perfect use of the phrase. Okay, everyone, let's practice. Slowly first. I'm running on empty.
And at natural speed, I'm running on empty.
Those are some great day to day phrases. But what if you're not just tired? What if you are extremely tired? English has some stronger words for that. Before we move on, there's a very important distinction we should make. It's something many English learners find tricky. A simple and very common one is exhausted. It's a bit more formal than beat or wiped out, but you can use it in almost any situation. It means completely and utterly tired. You're doing great. Now, a very important skill is knowing how to politely say no to an invitation because you are tired.
So if I worked a 12-hour day, I wouldn't just be tired, I'd be exhausted. This is so useful. I often feel bad saying no.
You don't have to feel bad. A wonderful, polite phrase is, I'm going to have to take a rain check.
A rain check. What does that mean?
It's an idiom. It comes from baseball games. If a game was canceled because of rain, people got a ticket, a rain check, to come to a future game for free. So it means I can't do this now, but I would like to do it with you another time.
That is so interesting and so polite. It says you are still interested, just not right now.
Exactly. So let's do a role play. Alicia, ask me to go out to dinner after this recording.
Hey, Trevor, want to grab a bite to eat after we finish here?
That sounds lovely, but I think I'm going to have to take a rain check. I'm pretty worn out.
See, I also added another phrase there worn out. It means very tired, like an old piece of clothing.
That's a good combination. Okay, let's practice the key phrase. Listen and repeat, everyone. Slowly. I'm going to have to take a rain check.
And at natural speed, I'm going to have to take a rain check.
One more polite way to say no. This one is very simple and direct. I'd love to, but I need an early night.
An early night, that just means you need to go to sleep early.
Yes, it focuses on your need for rest. It's clear, simple, and no one can argue with that. Let's do a final dialogue.
Hey, a few of us are going to a cafe to study later. Do you want to join?
That sounds great, but I'd better not. I need an early night. I have a big day tomorrow.
It's perfect. You say something positive first. That sounds great. Then you give your reason.
All right, time for our listeners to practice. Repeat after us. First, slowly. I need an early night.
And now, naturally, I need an early night.
We've spent a lot of time talking about how to express our own feelings of tiredness, but what about when we notice someone else seems tired? It's a good skill to be able to ask about it politely. Wonderful. We have covered so many great phrases today.
Yes, let's do a quick summary. For work, we can say, I'm a bit drained or I need to recharge.
For friends, we can use more casual phrases like I'm beat or I'm running on empty.
And to politely say no to an invitation, we learned, I'm going to have to take a rain check and I need an early night.
The most important thing is to be honest about how you feel in a way that is clear and respectful, both to others and to yourself. It's okay to be tired.
I feel much more confident now. I can tell people I need to rest without sounding negative. Thank you, Trevor.
You're very welcome, Alicia, and thank you to all of our listeners. Remember, every time you listen and practice, your English improves.
Don't worry about being perfect. Just keep listening, keep speaking, and keep learning. You are doing a wonderful job.
That's all from us at English Audio Lab. Until next time, take care.
Bye for now.